Okay. Need to allow a live video, but me I bungbe. You can't take it anymore. And for Frank Omoruyi, Frank, I will take legal actions against you. You did the same country with me for Italy. If I not Dunusha you, not call me Izzy. All those things when you talk for your live video, you must call repeat them before police. Can't tell them how I take thief picking. How I take by my friend. As in you talk out of point. But I'm not here for that. I'm here to come and analyze your yesterday video. So guys, Mona sit down, relax with me. Because these people, they are when you say Frank Omoruyi magba. Money you was so dog. Oh God, you are mass on me. We so me besha. When what that gripa say, you are very irrelevant. When I Roma, when it's a muna in me, I beg. Where what in ya? Who no, imagine you were my there. After me, my way, even we concern. My way, okay, and we get a go. That means what more they go to. Go discuss and then I get them at a room. We're not get a bang, okay. Okay, ni ma Okpamen ever. Una ban because you just want to make yourself relevant. You say, you wa zaga, wa lekwe mi wiwa. Where we say, unok be call out him, who say. So guys, let's go. His video yesterday. It's gonna be boring because now lies not full. And to you, Osamede Idada. Mama Sharon cousin, Osamede Justina Idada. In West when we women then, and I go follow you to one because I even get evidence when they come and not they pick your call because you ain't gonna zua him. You ain't to zua when no get better vision where. And we were day later, Papa na ma tell me where. You know, Sharon was close to me, yes. I mean, Nima, yes. But when what do I move in Nima Okpamen, what do I move away? A Sharon property. This people, a Frank Lao, the property in the Sharon. The property in the Sharon, na. The property no men Gualona, or more woo, young get 36 years. What mighty a more, what the property level here. Is it that a property or a problem? Wow, I don't understand. Izzy bring this one, Izzy bring that one. Is that supposed to be your problem now? A young girl of 36 years. No matter no boo, not boo. One arake. He just so by now he to umu. He just so by now he to umu. Because I'm not gonna help money to more one. He just so at this point in time he to umu. I'm waiting to telephone. I'm waiting to do a live video or to do a Frank Omoruyi. When the dog with me ledo by now about Nije two live video. My people, before we start Frank live video, I will tell you guys how all these things started because okay, let me go maybe with Frank video. I will feel they tell you how it starts. So let's listen to him.
Alright, let's from here go hits down.
Okay.
Let's continue.
The video where trigger me now they play for now. So
I just be happy. I don't know. I don't feel go.
They are happy for waiting. Show us the document they give you now. Document in more way by your boy. We may me so. Ima agwa le lawyer no take pay we na. A document ni me agbe you bopo. Because we can it to agbe. Do gele me o.
You understand? I you know. Anyway, just not supposed to celebrate. Say give me document. Now go celebrate me.
I bet they go man celebrate yan ya be more re go to be e ma be nu we je yan be kin awo zo be mabule oga go to your point. This one is the video for una way they come this live video. This one the video where Frank not they do video for like 3 days now. They talk say somebody adopt Sharon this. I decided to just let him go because we live video presenter to Frank may be a say. So most times I don't answer him because his brain, his level of thinking is very, very low. When you say man, level of thinking low to the extent that on a team like that live video, that's as low as his mentality because don't want to know young to this level because of his low mentality. So I'm going to be replying him one after the other, the way he wants. He not reach to reply about it. This video now for Osamede Justina Idada, Sharon, mama sister, where they call Frank Omoruyi for live video. They call Frank, they report me to Frank. She and a useless husband will be boy. Other for no gyon, you gyon, even like a ass boy. Why if I me hondo the live video ge e Frank Omoruyi. So why if I me burena. Wa ge Frank me ge marokpa. Not about me laja. Me I'm not the same person me help me do saga. Me myself, I go by myself do the saga myself.
This one will be the way to say, we don't want to talk for live video.
Okay.
We don't want to talk for live video. We don't want to talk for live video. What they go on, they go on. What they spoil, they spoil. They try to make sure so they arrange their home. So that now we turn to social media matter. But Izzy no be Omoruyi.
Now they are.
Say on the way, OPC or the family Sharon. OPC or the family Sharon. OPC no be Omoruyi or the family Sharon. Imagine this is me a family Sharon. This is now we are about here to live. It can't amazing. And yes, Sharon will go release her life. Now, Izzy Omoruyi is sitting down on the throne of Sharon.
My people, now hear that one. Frank say, "Owo bi me de family Sharon, egbi dada. Owo bi me diyan." It's a lot of anu dazi no ba. Obe Sharon o diyan, o bo no diyan. Because man me ni win ya. Owo bi me diyan, like as in what? As in waiting. Where I sit down on the throne. Which throne? Which throne I sit down on top? Which throne? The only thing Sharon has in her life, that be the house where she buy. And we know what it take us to even stand to. Agwima tile Sharon etin to wa bebo na. Agwima tile. Yen na wo me beg. Yen ni me o ka te lie. Ina ko we get defwa. Ite lie. Sharon know everything now. You me beg me na. No be me the way Izzy will take care. I go see this one time to open up. I go Nigeria. Ite like but me Sharon do wa. O ka te we no be everything they talk for social media. Any other social media, you tell lie about me, Timujako, Imujaro Seve. Shadow Boomer, way you give me na now, wa me, expecting you eva. Okpanaga on Nekere, Okpanaga on Okwa. That's to say a baby and a mature person. Na ya neru yone, a church in any need go in a altar. Inagele go nigonadi, no ya neru, make no kid, they said, because fine, she had me was a small baby, so she was thinking, so definitely me I'm always carrying a child and she's always carrying the child. So okay, we went on yojo emojo and I had go your ta. And I am nerun. Do you know that period, my people, any matter? And now nobody knows about it, but I will say it today. Unwe deking we get gay. Hey God. It's not going to talk social media, but unwe get gay. Me momo manako defa ina try na save the baby ina fear the baby ye e bakoni me na defa. I went to hospital. I know what I passed through. My enemy almost it like papa me it so say not everything I know because me I not be social media person. I not be social media person. So you get you social media person. So any year one time, any buni ma me work be, but me to where dowa. But me ta dowa yen in my face. Till today my leg they pay me. I almost die. Use my head to hit floor for friendship. We not get a yami, I don't get a yasun. But so look back anywhere. I want to my lie. You get there for like 30 minutes. Ima pagbe ima yoresh. All of them were only a tasketa. Why I get quick there? Emi mi ga vie, and I go no more wo ba am I me me. Which I never see. Say because I stand for friend to better. They don't like him. They don't like him. They don't want me to get life better. Till now they suffer now. Ina kunwe gedege ma mama malakoko defa unwe gedege. I try my best because when my people, I don't know why I take for now. Let God know. I be like person where they push. But when they do kai, I'm a wuko. I wuko. Frank Omoruyi, he tired of bedu. Sis of Ugelezuo. Wagale figure anything not concern Sharon or Gwene. What you bebo gume? What you so gwa? I'm tired of you guys coming every day calling my name. Izzy sitting down on the throne. Which throne? Otonisha no ga in Nigeria. Ni agbe mi o. They me. Ni get pay yo Tony. Move subo vere. What boom I do to boom. Oh, Izzy, they don't carry my land for a port road. Ije garo wa matu buje. Ije ma me pano. They don't carry my land. Who carry your land? Or we see who carry my land. Okay, enter motor. I go with people where I know. I go meet them. A palago go. And I see the person. It's like the person so I pay. Sharon like okay. You may need the no top, but why they go me for this land we move. When Amujano say she's a grateful person. Yes, one day, and yes, one day. Sharon was very, very grateful. Like now, person will be say if you do one thing for her, she go tell you thank you like 100 times. And then they go, yeah, come man. Easy if not be you, I will not get this money back because the person now threatening her. You know, we not worry. Don't na you run over say my way. Ina manakpa, we have you every day. Manakpa, will they come up for us? She come pick me. Ni magay kokola dia. She come pick me. We can't go where we want go. We go report to some people. I will do tear a day. The wing, don't make sure we pay you now. People are my witness. They are even watching me. They call me. They tell me say, "Rachel, real life in Asia." I know people don't call me. Tell me say, "So now so this life be as you do rich." We are going to banana ba meti muja ne Sharon. Ni tame agumeti lege e Sharon meti do wa wona. Ye e ke no boy ma sell mo boji. Ona do me God dey no why lady me come pagina. Because apart from that, Sharon in your way. Sharon e mo wa be Nigeria. The only thing on her is this house that she has. We na tana ya fe e me so ro na ye mo ego am I tell na ya asa but asilemi Izzy bring phone, Izzy bring pikin, Izzy thief pikin, Izzy thief phone, Izzy do this, Izzy do that. My people wala we do nuzomo in wa in yare wala wa gumen nenya emi ni wu no jinya ya drago ya me kian gumen ne wa gumen nenya because egbe gbo me den. Let's continue.
Izzy Omoruyi is feeling like a madam. He's feeling like AJ in the life of Sharon's family.
Oh God.
Because he knows many things, he holds many things against them concerning Sharon's property. I've told you before. I said it down.
Person Frank Omozuo Ewe Agbo. Can you list the property where Sharon gets? Frank. See, Frank, you come away. Okay, ta. Umana list the property in Sharon men who are figuring medaji. I need you to list the property where Sharon gets. Where una fit say dey my hand. Imagine, oh my people. Sharon property dey my hand. Which kind of allegation be all this one? Mona list I be the property I go water between what be my property the Sharon men. It's not a shame that the family doesn't know Sharon's property. It's not a shame on them. On a property of you where my can oje we are doing social media near do aneme. Oh God, man.
There's no way you do episode for Sharon. The same way I'll get episode for you.
My mom go reach 50 franc. My mother, what say? She's an Italian person, no. She go sue you, go court.
It's not directly to your mother.
Directly to my mother. Imagine. On an energy. Et Frank, où energy? Because they do energy. They say, "It's your be me." When what me, Sharon, Mama Sharon. It's your be me. You need me face because of me. We just not see when I affair. Go care who no say me. Go go me mo say me la wa. Or a crime in me commit. That's a crime now. Go care who no say me. Or a crime in not commit. Is that what you guys are trying to tell me? Let's continue, guys.
In conjunction with this your plan against this family. My people, when I said you can play the audio, we don't play as in a talk.
Yeah,
if I go play audio, Izzy, no we are Omoruyi, Ose, when we are frustrated, when we are finishing, when we are manipulating, Okpamen.
Hey God.
Usalobwa Noel. Usalobwa Enikao. Etietu Oanowe.
He said, when you are no man, yes, when you are no man.
My people, do you guys know, say, Okpamen, Sharon, Edabella, not good. You know, send some song yesterday. You know, go send some song yesterday. You know, go as the beggar rich, as the better rich. The only sister where Sharon, where Okpamen gets, now, in sense of song yesterday, He cannot go. Because why? Because of Izzy Omoruyi.
My God.
Because of Izzy Omoruyi. Izzy said he cannot enter there.
My God.
Until the family will come beg for us.
Hey, Jesus.
Until the family will go beg Izzy for us. Maybe go and the boy don't go, but Izzy go.
Okay, guys. More go to this Okpamen part. First, Okpamen and Sharon, senior brother. Sharon introduced him to me like 8 years ago. I don't know Okpamen. Okpamen a very calm person. Although I don't hear about him from my mama because he was going 90. Anybody not really remember we Zua. You know, we nine man with Frankie now. When I have Frankie, they take Okpamen. Even at your self love, we not got saga Sharon no wune. Sharon egiro na saga. Ona. So I met him and I was like, we can't wait, but what am. So like that we became friends because I was friends to Sharon. And the brother is good in editing. I even hear this guy blah blah blah. Those one are stories and just cover up. So Sharon told me that the brother they edit well, say they try for all those small editing for skin. Because they don't know how editing. We became close because of Sharon, definitely. They see if anytime I go see Sharon, I go see him. Sharon now. I take Sharon in one room. No, Sharon had no room in her mother's house. And Natage, your mother just keep it for us. I want to keep you one room. We keep on my Sharon was always staying with her friends because we had a room. The only thing or why bet Okpamen kere na ije muje ba ni the only thing or wa ba ni. E ba ni ya vije gba lo vieji. The house was big, oh. The house was like 2.5 bedroom. But ana quick cool. Zigi zigi yokpa. Okpamen lo vieji. Zigi zigi red bonokpa. Sharon never had a room, so I was not even comfortable going there because when you measure, like from Ikeye, I've always had my room. I grew up in a boarding school, and when I come home, we always had our room as girls. 1 week so I've lived that life of private life right from time. So most times, Sharon come we are not fit. I'm not fit. Sharon she's a person that not like in a crowd she's always happy. So me going there out of love, because never man like a environment normally conducive. I don't like it because when you a life in now or you twin. So the life in a man I will live a say. At least that's the only thing you have to enjoy for yourself. Now coming to the part here where we manipulate Okpamen. Okpamen is like a brother to me because when he had a Sharon, he had Okpamen, he had Ije, a mommy Tije. Ije gimon we are in Nigeria imwe 2 box of Iguje VR day. Imwe gile with a jerrycan your luggage. Imwe more bitters. Ile jigo me ya pay your airport. Ya mwe so kwa kona eri one that me ile no Do you know what it is to carry 23 kilo for person? 46 kilo imu giokona from Nigeria. With a phone call, can Sharon watch me? I beg if you go back to Nigeria, I beg me carry this one, let me carry that one. This woman forgot all these things. And she's dragging me because of Sharon's phone. Say me one can carry Sharon house. How? I beat Sharon here with nest of kin. Me my dragging me Gina. I'm not Sharon's nest of kin. I'm not part of her documentation for the house. So why are they dragging me? Okpamen, he told Okpamen, I see him. He have told Emma, because most times Agrippa is always feeling very sad. The only sister no me. Otonade I go to a lavieze, a hero. So Okpamen it away family when he heard the burial, the service of song. I'm over Okpamen with Sharon, we lay ledo. Azok Kagbene with the burial. Now Okpamen only go na go. Okpamen is a grown-up man. A man no say 9 years, na be 10 years in it. A grown-up asthma. Service of song or it does even make sense to you. And you as a Frank, almost one who you not get a gemeniji. Or one to come in service of song or tell we or one time do Does it even make sense? That you guys need to go and repair your brain. We're like, and the complaint he made was that social media service of song which I was angry with the boy that was doing everything in radio because I don't give away. I look at me, along. Let's call him and put him. Let's call a spade. And now who I will realize. You let the brother be aware of everything. Carry him along. Call him. I didn't know anything about it. He only said, when you are born in a van, give me music. When I am an angel, come 3 days. He didn't know why I am born in a van. When I am an angel. But mommy, oh, Sharon. When I look back, I met him to Okpamen. When my you yourself no we're complaining again. We're complaining to Buwe. You always complain him now. Why are you not making anybody feel like him? Man, is your manipulate Okpamen. Okay, when I even Okpamen share. Okpamen wanna met him manipulate Okpamen here. Even Sharon met him manipulate and now we men. So Frank is saying that men is yengbe. Or Okpamen, Frank, yare bebogume. Dimogele tame Okpamen nejo. Agbonma we Frank. Agbon mawe di mogele kamae agbon mawe but then mo ha mo pamere na service of song got you agbon mawe no je we say the life o kan fi we Frank e no je we say the life o kan fi we o kan de o kan fi we body fa keku wa ni commenters are callers we e no je we say the life o wa here o kan fi wa me boy we gbe ya mawe dagun wa. Because common sense is not common, man, people. When 40-something years old man, many things you are manipulated. Do you know, I even threw out last year, Okpamen, because I know the person where they go out for this radio. If I get people for Italy for radio, I want to put call them, ask them, say whether they don't ever see Izzy for outside. You don't see me outside because I'm a busy person. I work from house. House work. It always said, I mind my business. The only person that took me outside of my house was Sharon. She was the only one that would call me and say, oh, come meet me for here. I go because of the love where I get. It can even like in a show here. Oh, Sharon, you know, I know they like all this kind of gardening. Because I bet my friend, come over, say, my sister, no say you that my sister, come over, come enjoy. You see me, Ladia. Anywhere, on my own, I don't know anybody. I don't get any friend. So, me no can know waiting, can make Omoruyi, can feel say na me Izzy, say make Sharon brother not come service of song. Now he not really come. Hey, Saloppa. About the scene. Let's continue, guys.
Nobody should go. I didn't like that. There's no calling. Hello? You were watching me live video.
You did see him?
You did watch me live video. You did watch me for live video. You did watch me for live video. When I sit down.
We sit down. We they relax. We they watch you. Yes, me spread. I don't ready for now. Me spread.
Sharon spirit is a
very stubborn spirit. Yes, very stubborn. Sharon want make we talk, and all our friends go come out come talk. All our friends come out come talk. Sharon want make we talk, and we go talk.
Because he never buy. Our spirit don't
they fight with you. Yes, so because when Frankie now where the highest enemy in Sharon can never go now. I take the Dunisha web where the other born. When Sharon visit Bashago if you don't need women, if Sharon save your phone or go Sharon the phone. Let's continue. Kakabo, amen. He said. Oh. He said, He said, then they propose Sharon go more okpa. Frank, who tied the other way around? On the mistake you will make. We're tying about a proposition now when anybody want to Sharon. Yes, he said. Then I go anybody will now vow with name like be. Who are they Sharon? Frank. Who Frank who are they Sharon? Sharon ask you where. All su well le be. All su well le be. All su somebody dada le be. All su wa ya fe le be. Wa ya ni toge. Sharon ask you wa ya fe le be. He said, Kebugwe. Onaga, okay, this is their mistake. So you can solve for people, you know, so for yourself, you were the talker. Frank. We got a my phone, where you know the Google. Hey, Frank, they want to go later. Oga Manuel, he said to your prayers. The petition will let anybody, a prayer where he has said. But they go more of they took by okay. Frank, tu avais les Sharon. Et Sharon avait su que ça mettait Justina et Dada, tu Sharon au gouvernement avec fond. Et Sharon a su va la dit. Oh, su va la dit. Who tied the other way around? And who tie one part? Say it the both ways. Don't swear for people and then you not leave yourself out of it. Go what tie? They Sharon property going on. So we tag in the book where they don't go tie. They Sharon tu where they Frank or Moswo. Not see where I mean.
Now, this woman, Izzy, no your Omoruyi. Izzy na hami, ona hamu Okpamen. Unknowingly to me, people say, Izzy the friend of Okpamen.
Hey God.
On code.
Hey Salopa. Oh, Izzy the friend of Okpamen.
Now, Izzy now is manipulating Okpamen.
Frank, yagele a friend of Okpamen. A ogbano. Iye ke gbano we. Imana a friend Okpamen. Iye ke vi fian ofia wujo wa o. Iye ke vi no wo kan we. Ofia wujo wa o. We to bu we fian o iye ke vi a o. Imana a friend Okpamen. Let's continue, guys.
Against the mother. If you are part of Okpamen go family na. No family. Okpamen gi yeho. Iye na no ke me mi. Eni sigi Okpamen ya kiya. E be ntamu na. Ari Okpamen na go mo. Ari Okpamen. Ari yeho ya papa Okpamen. Ari yeho papa Okpamen. No Okpamen ko nja. No ko mu jawo. U no ti o. Okpamen go ya lai. Now, the family has sick and tired.
Okay.
Izzy wa Okpamen wa mo dia kose.
Yeah.
Izzy ni je America Okpamen. Usaluwa udazila.
He said, Wabele nita. Ijo mo no bi omo wa na we. Omo be na Frank. O se ni je Sharon a call. No do arovi o the social media. Omo pa kan o given. Ibi e donu zomo. Mo mu ja o de mata. Wa mu pa ye na. Ijo mo. Uri e telephone. Wa gbe presenter gun. Wa move omo no we nye gbe bie. Wa mu e boto my presenter. Ijo mo o. Ijo mo. Omo no nye gbe bie. Wa arovi o e. Get am we as gweze. Then when my day, oh God, some mothers say, Jesus. We call it Frank. Okpamen ya mase Frank Ivagbona. In fact, Frank Okpamen ya yegbe. Okpamen say Frank in arena de ave. Frank o magbon Frank hin. Omo no laluwe. Omo na ku fa ye Germany re. Omo no Salobua. Mommy, iye Sharon. When I between the one no Frank Arovio you where. Omo pa kan no give never gbon. Una na one no Arovio. Ah God. Ona ma ona. Una ka mi ewu ere magba. Ere ogian ere magba mo no we bie no we mu ye ko for 9 months. Erube na Sharon. Sharon, there's nobody no matter industry. We are na Sharon Lelenya. Ere Sharon wo, ere Sharon ma wo, ere Sharon this one. Now, Okpa can we now. We na ma ave mite, ave we are on social media when Okpamen ma. Unu buy Frank with phone. Don't now ye ma we je. We no Nigeria again no why behavior. Unu ba. I mean no ma for. I mean no ma for we life now. I mean, I'm 100% perfect. Every mother in heaven here cook if you wear get money, you have massive and we good one. You have massive and we good one. I mean, no phone abagona. You wear money, and we good one. If you wear money, you have massive. Let's continue, guys.
Now, it might go far.
Imagine when I make a name de imagine. So where around wa, I want me na Frank in the Bema we oko, or of you where, or where we were all ye de. Hi God, no.
Because I'll get property always Sharon. Even boom, not constantly Sharon. Easy believe where nobody know. But easy, I'm letting you know about what is not no many.
Oh.
I know. And I want you to also use your hand and your mouth to go to the family.
You know, this is what they do, so they play mind game with me. Frank Omoruyi, since you know many, use your mouth to talk the many way you know. Which property which I don't get where you know. Tamagbonia, why you they hide down? Why you want me by myself go use my mouth to talk? You see them? You see people who are useless. They don't know what Sharon get. They want to use mind game for me so that yeah, it's saga man. Ido bunya do come again. Sharon ga man. Sharon ga wana Sharon. Ije Sharon. Sharon man anything apart from one ojena. Even Okpamen on Sharon me. Otonoga ave in Nigeria where we not here. Because Meti do not say me social media. I cannot Meti we been we donor we not next Sharon Meti na. But where we not otoni here. Sharon come away. Amamu ele enwe. The only otono ele no where imagine even the when we phone call. That was inside the July okay. Because Sharon wano gwazi yo no map that say no remember je imagine. Una me no ma. You say it out. In a hamena way, you only have a film village. But igual ke ni ana dotonoma rangbe. Ni have film village. So that he may take away production. Now we might only rush. I will one film in a year. He may show a film in that Netflix. Now so you need a kinoto. Sharon called somebody. He might need the person, but I will try to call out Sharon Orowa. Yate Vanessa, yate any no. Or it's the man. Ona the man chairman of one community. Community ni wow aye no. Ona no ni go gi oto na come ni go ni ado to gani. The man is mana wo talk na area ni na except tigwalo we ya mi chipa na we na de ko film village no. So ima eti abowa yo. Ave mud houses in here boy na ya ate film in de. Na we oni bojo. So Sharon was like telling me here we not of a that same community. Imagine the community. Imagine, but she said it. Yeah, but it's always said that do our no. So imagine or said Uniben. I don't remember, but I know saying all those community will be saying inside bush. So all of the time the man here only dead by the land. The man don't come again. You gonna we are there when you are there. A phone call. My God, damn it. The man tamamedi only there. Ya mume wa yare. Sharon was like my Nigeria. Yare me boy. Madam, of which Vanessa or twin Vanessa is aware of the land. Sharon men yon no gweme. Iye Sharon. Since Sharon, property Sharon we equal ole level here now. I'm telling you that Sharon men rock no gweme. Sharon men pin wo bome. Ene pin wo bome pin. Ene wo bome. Sharon men anything no gweme. Adagman dey mi na tai na. Do wa figure of me no gweme. Why atemes over gwa. Why arebe bogume. Ya wa ven ya jo. I go answer with my full chest. Omonon say 36 years old child who. What you care about is deminome. Eh, boss, me man understand. Is it that easy to carry somebody's property? It don't why easier. Property wa mwe because wa mwe. This woman, my people, what is deminome? Then I not call her. Yeah, but what we call you when I come on. A pin a card Sharon ore mimi kekore imo because Sharon gave me so ni aguyen with joy go to call ama or we go help me. Now we ya send the yagwe. Emi ya navion ya hospital e yagwe Okpamen. I don't have anything concerning Sharon with me. The property in Sharon men we go agwalona. So, me ma understand. Let's continue. I don't want to talk about my friend. Okay.
Before I could expose you, understand? And I get proof. Complain. Understand now?
You go bring the proof. Wanna listen audio from the family.
Now, why don't we Izzy a Facebook now?
Problem is rough, Frank. I ready. Because you are now waiting with you, man. Problem is rough. Problem is rough. We will continue. We will go na igu unuwe. When you go say. When a Frankie we go say September January all the Christmas lights wo wa. We no go say green. We might think that gogbon. We might think the bed ogbon olori eji. Guzua even uzua. Why you fair progress with social media when I lag yeke. Let's continue. Frank, when we was now, why ask about the year Sharon? Mommy, we were questioning by one. Eji me mabu wesowa. Vous me African shop oge luka. Una complain Sharon. Jime na we o kena na complain ya do mi we wa. Many zie gbuwa ke ko samede mana le jime buwe adiowa. Una complain Sharon. When Sharon ya behavior. When he we ya ma when ogi we zuwa Bije na kama we. Jime na we aneru ne mo. E mo de bo misbehave. U yorwe wa son. U ya neru niyan. Ase mo kegbe. Unu gbaji me buwe ajo wa do guwe gwan. Ameti guwe gwan. Emi no de guwe ewe u. But you're not telling them the truth oh. Wa ge Frank ge ariye boy. Wa ge amwe bogbe Frank Ozua. If Frank should have somebody in Radio Milan or call anybody in Radio Milan, ask about these people. They will tell you. We phone Tioma. When I present our one we want to go wagon call wa record. Tioma. So, may I understand why? So, what are you not trying to drag at? Okay? Let's continue. I don't want to talk too much.
Episode 1, episode 2, episode 2, episode 8.
I dare you sit down. Okay. I walk Benny your boss. I walk Benny your boss say hi me. Oh God. I mean no you hire kuma be of your ha. Yeah, what fear oh God. Saloba. Saba na ga bio mo no more regboto we ne Frank more regboto na. It's a shame on him. Oma no tin o oma no tin na we tin na we na figi metin abi we tin we na figi metin no azon hina problem iro ala gbe wo ka wo
all see any anything about you I heard is coming on me just straight down.
All right, continue.
Yes. Oh you know where ona hinu be mo kan do ona hinu una charity oh you know where
Saba na egu me mo ka gbebo yin ose me. Yin no teme ne kere ido mo ka gbebo Frank. Igwae. Then wa gbe me bana. I dey come there my people. I go tell una wetin make all of them they fight me. Wetin make Egbidada they fight me. Mama Sharon family according to Frank. We family Sharon or do report me my hair. I can't what the reason I na go Egbina. But I'm coming there. I'm coming there. E Sharon tu we save no frank ya. O tu we Sharon se kia. Egbe we se no a. Egbe we se no a. Egbe we Sharon kia. Guys, hold on, I'm coming. Okay. Egbe we se no a. Egbe we Sharon se kia. When Sharon there. The Sharon ragbon uri amene won there. The Sharon ragbon, did you ever say anything nice about that girl when she was alive? Frank. Eh de boya to where shawo. Or ya insult her. Let's go.
Izzy no your moji. Izzy no your moji. The body will not be your own.
Yes, now.
I am bossy.
Sabane ge. Get.
Izzy. Abonati yibi. Utibezi. Utibi.
Oh, where? Oh, what we are you poor my also. Do who they shall not na? They shall not na. What does Sharon even have? The only thing she has is that house. No, Nije wajena. E Sharon ere koma bije lagwani. That's the only thing Sharon has. Sharon no go in Nigeria. Anything. Okay, on my motto. Imoto no me otu no kwa be fear Vanessa. So the Sharon have na. What does Sharon even have? Can't you people say it? Ekwe muwa. E property no vi wa me wa ma ho eh. This same thing Sharon told me. Sharon na we owo sa ba na ge ogijin egu. Owo yen my property ni yen me na we gba. Na we meje property yen me yen ya. O because yen ma ha me ya. Owo the only person know property yen or a boyfriend yen or property yen. That's what she said. And you wanna making me know that even a family Sharon my property Sharon that why igwa lo boss you wa figi me hen ya. So to why try no play mind game with me. Ni do come with property Sharon. I don't know anyone. In my property Sharon the Sharon me apart from one or mana. That's the only thing me here Sharon me. Every other thing you can ask Vanessa or Tio no cousin no. Ije Vanessa or the last one of you Sharon. Go and ask her. She was the one who got taken Sharon with Nigeria. Your Fimote Sharon. A crime in Sharon and your fear. Go and ask her. Why you people dragging me inside your mess? Why are you dragging me? Why you can't make a property Sharon? Sharon will just 1 month work. Be na property ne. Hey! Sharon bala oh. Hey. Property of your kakere. 36 years old. Oh, wa no let social media here na wa no here. Hey, ekwe mu me. O say man support go for me wa because ekwe ga mu mege obi o kan kere wu wa na begi go le level kian. 36 years old girl, young vibrant girl, beautiful soul. Time ayan, expose us. Family audio. A family no lose up more, no, 36 years old. At the audio get presenter no wa mind de. Presenter no wa mind de, wa mind gbin de. When why useless is say. Wa pe audio get presenter no go wa saga. Oh no God. My plan useless.
I didn't start recording from the beginning, but we have record which I'll play. Not for you.
So, but I want to novel here. No,
the person will talk so that the auntie of Sharon.
When we say Osamede Justina is not Sharon's auntie, she's Sharon's cousin. Ero Samede Osini Sharon. And you need to get my way say. Oh my baby auntie. Auntie no more no that for a boy okay a bejon. Me de nu everything about you Sharon Hamman here. When no calling now I know everything about you. Sharon told me about you. And here now where my mom my enemy. Zuo we get Frankie Bume ade. We get Frankie Bume ade. We might we no ban we call him before. More than 5 minutes call Mazaya because he get to Zuwa. He went to Zuwa oh God better bichwe okay. Ogbiyan oh Zuwa. My neck bue. Then where do I report him? Wanna listen to family where lost picking where big like Sharon, picking 36 years old girl. They get time to tell the call presenter. They narrate the girl for presenter. Now will say why Sharon not go wrong, go outside. If now you not go wrong, go outside. If now you not go wrong, go meet friends. If now you family where they narrate person up and down on now here. Madam yo, family logge. Ere girl na no kwana o si yo na Sharon era be fia ne. Yo si Sharon. Madam yo.
This time, you understand? Easy. You know what you do. Area it's between you and your mommy's house. Mama,
the Sharon over to wale legbe. Everybody. I bet if you hear me water.
Now listen. I'm going to be calling out all these stupid actresses and actors. This.
If I not master where we can tell her. Yeah, I love you. You reach leg where sound at match grant or zoo.
You should sit down here right now.
Sound like we wear my way.
Well, yes, I go your son. Osai, Mama, a seaweed.
Oh God.
I go as agency. No, I go, sir. Osai, Mama, a seaweed. I'll tell you, Sidney Ross. I greet you.
No.
Attention is needed.
Oh God.
The first time you come at Black on this.
A social media sha. I won't fair. Social media sha. Oh no. Okay, no time Mario where you don't know where you are. Social media keypad warriors. I want my phone you bear wa atalo. Emmanuel ma save God. Emmanuel hustle your life here. Life from a go your hand care hustle life here. Where are tie boni here? You ma blame Washa. Social Mark Zuckerberg blame. You want no ma suck ma.
Fine boy.
I bet if you hear me with the other tripod.
White master.
First, Sanoma is not a white master. If you never seen Sanoma before, you need to see how far segbe. Sanoma is not using any cream. I'm sorry, mama again. Or my bleaching cream is there.
And what we do? Then your basket. Nothing here. You do go. Not Canada. Not Canada. Not show love. What's in your basket? What's in the big girl? That was. And then let's put that bros. What's going to call that bros? Listen, I call that bros. What you doing? Let them know your basket. What you that bros? Did that shema? We told. No sir. No sir. No sir basket. Aina. Correct. No sir basket. Correct. Nine. I agree. No sir basket. I don't agree. I'm giving my life for me. What's that? Yet the name you are for. You send us a song. Now, first of all, come here.
Away first of us. Away first. You're not Italy. Hey, Frank, you're not Italy. I'm not boyare, but money came your way just to show respect. Ona we monu no ya saga yan. Very ingrate. Well, let's continue.
Why the first person? My people are this one with that style. When I listen to Sandra, you go to Sandra do. On Thursday of it, Sandra went to visit Sharon, Okpamen, mother, and the children. That they talk there, they show us something. Let me use this one. Maybe just chop us small to the hot. I bet when I share this video before I continue. Now they show us proof for the talk. Now they bring us something. They give you a strike for them. My analysis is going to go where when I'm going to understand where they go. Don't wait for the come. Preach to our sister, Patience, Omoruyi, Izzy. Let's go her page on there. She posted the video, the picture.
I didn't even post it. I didn't even post.
This one,
Guys, so I didn't even post a video. Okay. I shared.
Hold on. Let's go down. And the picture just needs. Okay. Now this picture needs. Now, you guys see these pictures. What they take for saying a song. Now let's go far. Get place we say. It's very, very interesting. We concern Sandra. We want to collab Sandra. Read that picture, deal. Ele pode. Você. Sandra Tare, Mimi. Luma, hold on. Yeah. Just know the Sandra Pia will go die.
No, see,
No.
you know, see, you don't lie for my head. You say, I'm me poster. Nah, you not see the post on my wall now. Now, you want go Sandra wall, now go look for the post.
I say, remember. What's happening? God, my me, Saluboa, Dazi.
I beg, before I continue, I want to ask people where they do saga. Wherever they look the saga, what they do? For their mind. To work bema. To work bitema. What my to work full leg buwa. What my kids wow. For your mind, now you they beat easy. In your they beat easy. Easy go, you they cry. Ina me they call, ina gele we mi na avie. E come na nwa, ya ma vie ti nya gie, o ge me giwa. Because it come in one, like when you know when somebody's heart is clean, it's as clean as whatever. Those who were close to Sharon, those who were Sharon's destiny helpers, are they fake tears in social media, no fake tears, no way, my godmother, anywhere, no of any help to Sharon. Those people who contributed to Sharon's life, people were there that gave her money for her dog. 1,000 euro, 2,000 euro. We know I love Sharon. Eh, on my make up with me. I don't have a fake love social media. I love you. Say those who were there, they know more about Sharon and myself. Once somebody called me yesterday, I know that person gave Sharon 1,000 euro. The person walked when they go the number me. But I need to debunk everything when they talk. Every video when they do from now go they analyze them. Because I'm working at the Twagbe. I waited for 1 month. 1 month to know there. 1 month. Also make baby 1 month now. I'm ready for you guys. I'm ready. Tit for tat. Let's go.
Oh, I also let that you in the car with the Prato. I also let I Nigeria with other young no feeling well.
Oh, guys, show what you want show us. Way mabule. Shut up, where me go? A fake glass in Muya. Which truth they talk? You know truth. Way mabule. We are not my neck.
My sister, I need to just tell her one of the things before I will meet Sandra. Yes, yeah.
Mabule, bane ora, bane buebu, ewe, agbo maso. For their mind, they saga person. What you talk want to do for person life? When you make better stage in there, the saga ye shake. Oh God, show us where you want to show us. You need to see comment section. One of the comment section not take comment it down. Emi ogbeluwa wa zaga. O ma ni nu wa bonye gbe me.
This was Sandra and Mira Michelle.
Say Mira Michelle.
This was Sandra and Michelle. Maybe want to share the video.
No, they look. I put on for another tripod. Now the Frank, they look.
This one is Sandra and Michelle. When Sandra go visit Michelle, Mama for us, which is the grandmother, carry Michelle. When I know say the first saga will enter the social media. Now Osamede TV. Now the first saga.
That's it. Another lie. Franco Mozuo, when we concern the first saga will come. See, I come today. The first saga will come to social media was Eddie Murphy, social media president. Sharon died on Friday. Eddie Murphy came on live on Saturday to strike Sharon's mother. Or in la live video na ata or working a boyfriend in Sharon friend, Mr. Smart. Or working a baby mama gave a Germany. Or when we Sharon you be social media president. All of you should know the truth where this started from. I also made your case one. Social media president Eddie Murphy also in this whole saga of Sharon. The woman not being a boyfriend ye Sharon or Germany. Or more na the social media president Eddie Murphy said it on his live video, okay? Or won't be na near Sharon friend or more matter again. Okay, now what happened? Sharon died on Friday. Saturday, Sunday, Imam reach a phone. They were calling me. Ina when he Ladian do saga Eddie Murphy. Ina we met in Ladian. Ina when he do defend him, defend Sharon. Now we or now again I social media. Again that should be why damn you, but they did not listen. Ina he go Eddie Murphy dinya yana rule with Frank. Frank, I tell what I energy. Ina he go Eddie Murphy dinya, Eddie Murphy ina where Eddie Murphy talk yana rule with Frank. Ne Frank he do help ya. When energy, okay, na ya to that mwe bore back where na boy pika Frank. Osamede was on Osamede the person not sworn. It was social media president Eddie Murphy sworn the saga. You sworn je Sharon a drag. And the normal any get the woman or bien a boyfriend Mr. Smart or call Eddie Murphy from Germany. The woman or Okpamen Mr. Smart. That same woman have a threatening Sharon on there before the inbox. That was years ago. Sharon told me. And I come Sharon when I went to saga or so yeah, it's when he made those saga Eddie Murphy. Now we met him because it's too early. The Friday, Monday, Sunday, saga. Sunday, Monday, when he do saga. When we met him now, on I social media. And now when everything is over, any lies in the attack will come and debunk it. So they could not bear it. Why when they target the Murphy here with Bena? They could not bear it. The auntie nor Verona. Ya Sharon yana rule with Franco Moswo. Not the rescue ya will bet the Murphy. Then the Sharon stand at go not go sa. No a fan Monica. Only now more with the matter Monica also. That girl no turn to Sharon. A record EJ mommy ye Sharon. Wa ran wa be gani e gani ga record Sharon ye phone. Again, even record Sharon on the phone. Or say, neni me again. 50 years old woman on my neck bed. At 50 years old, you bashago, who you buy what they are hustle. May then where? Am I saying I then where? Because your plan was to wreck Sharon before. Una wonu go gay, wonu buy wire. Where? When I spread it, what spread it in a gua. Nobody not spread wa. 50 years old woman or no ye bashago at 50. We make grandchildren know you ya hustle. Where we men ni zegbe. Our handle amune social media people ni agbene. Ba me matter. We no ga record channel wa. E phone we to ga record ni mi ya e channel gbinwe, e channel ma clean, e channel this, e channel e ya re phone we. Ya ba we o ya re bebore. Let's continue guys. All these frenemies. Sharon, all of the come want turn to Sharon mama friends. They want to turn to the one be saying that them good pass. Now so the saga take start to my people. Now through Eddie Murphy now it take start. Those of now where this social media now go no say na Eddie Murphy now start this whole saga. They be won't use me take fight Eddie Murphy. Now say I know they fight. It's too early. My friend don't you die. Lizard or woo. Omanagbon woo. Omanagbon. Omangoma. Okpamen. Beautiful girl. Beautiful soul. Angel. Okpamen. When he do our saga, now we met him. We met him. When me yaga you die down there, we can come and debunk anything we want to debunk. But for now, no. Yeah, by social media, where you get social media, they come my on Monday of it, as small picking day with me for us. I need to kind of go hospital. May I go know the doctor so that in case anything else soon, I feel rush go because they life in now. A man, a vessel on a marker like you wear. While be ya beg me day, you don't let you wear. My current doctor day. E mi na we only ere McDonald's. Ina okay, man na do tore McDonald's na dollar. Ina do beg 4 missed call. Oh, now the phone they use so. I for use another phone. I'll show now. I can see 4 missed calls. Who they call me so? Mama I know say that's Mama Sharon. I can't call them back. Okpamen was there because Okpamen follow me go hospital. I can say in case because it's there for me. I feel say Mama no fit they get up now. At least Okpamen will fit help Mama they carry the children go clinic or any appointment where they get. In a college, mommy would see me 4 missed call. Where Away, you need a number of seven back. Now it doesn't know here was away or send my bag yeze. Now I niki because my was in the boom by yezene. My Sharon wagwati, my bag, big magbar yeze. Then my banana don't know here way no for fanoro. Usamede now what video. You have gume what video. But I bebo gume. Imetive life in your email Usamede ke the video ni. Email I didn't know anything about it. And I okay, I did not buy again. Not the way the video. You get the video now. How somebody go do this kind of video? And now the call us somebody. Somebody was at work. Oh no, we now. Now we're close. We will not see me. So the mother was looking for the no. Ije na do atije me. Nije me do the no ban. Nije me na we very wina. I got somebody yaking wina now. Somebody go do that kind of video. Where any beg no. Because somebody is also a friend to Sharon. I don't have right to question because the only friend Sharon got and somebody beg or tab a video ni. And the Sharon you know ya time somebody tab now we get because of now you grieve. But because of the demon figure saga where ya jump into the saga. Or ya do ya with that apology or now ya deleted the video. Well, I did not give Mama Sharon the number. One was a man name because Ima Onia Eva Iye Sharon Pologbe stage in Memuyeji. Ni Memuyeji. No how do I go somebody do I exchange a word. Or say manade number in out of respect niga and Sharon. So I didn't give her that number. So in the Frank Itana is totally wrong. So let's continue with what Frank is saying.
Social media. Prepare a soft commercial. Who post that video? Sandra. And this same woman, this same Sandra, post that video. Alongside us, Mama Nota said, when our children they operate in Facebook or not children Facebook, the damages we they make now we talk about. These are the people that create damages on this media. Where we say the saga they see it exists now, it not take finish because if you have any ayaziri, these are the people who constitute nuisance about the death of Sharon. Now they are all evil people, all these people is so. Then they are pretense. Since they can't see how you now sister sound that they carry me not like say the feedback say they don't see their colleagues. When I ask me, when you go check out Sandra both Facebook and page, if she ever posts the GoFundMe of helping these children, these innocent children, when she carries soul, if she ever posts the GoFundMe that was created for these children or assist these innocent children, Sandra Agbo Yosa, Nosa Obaseki, they never in their life posted anything that concerned these children on their page.
Okay, my people, let's go to the GoFundMe, my people. Sharon died on Friday. As a Saturday of it, they were already planning GoFundMe. They don't even wait me 1 week reach. Are they not grieving? Person when they grieve, go fisi begin they do GoFundMe. Okay, they create group, WhatsApp group finish. They begin they add people. People know they see Sharon brother for the group. You know they if now you go join. You know call and say na fraud. On wa might they hear kere no have via kere not na ba we go we can do what. They wanna rush like social media na go to agwa ligo. But you go na yauna. I'm asking. Wama we mudia realize after 1 week avec here na do okay, what do we now do? Ne fast even to be have no how we go take support, how we go take help. I don't get fast on no one do where. Why blame me very big? In the shadow time ever really they or is we go ne you might trust it if boy. So people were like they were skeptical, they didn't know what to do. Many of them donated. We are donating for Nayanakba. Because nobody wants to donate towards the burial of a colleague. Why will you donate a younger colleague, a younger than Megina? He do donate to go na haya Sharon Ariogwa. Does it even make sense to me? I don't know. I don't know if it makes sense to you because me and Sharon never had that plan that she's going to die early. No, we're supposed to live together, grow old together. We had plans to grow old together. So all of a sudden, Omagu after 2 days, how many do I donate to go? When I'm still grieving. Emanibu ya here Wakege warule me go fund me. First Peter told me as at Sunday, abi Monday, Iban was already with First Peter to give to people who want to donate money. But these people will go back behind me to go and spoil my name. But they will be telling me, oh, people want to donate money. Mommy can't give me IBAN. I can't they give them IBAN. I say, how you go to give people Monday of it? Even that very day when Sharon goes so. I call him another Jenny Rigore. Blessed. I won't call your name. Atie blessed we no Rigore. Then Sharon, and the no more wagu. DJ so no ya roto ya here. The no more wagu. I make a phone call. And where I need people number for Jenny where they owe Sharon money. What ya? You go no. Where they beg a phone? Wow. I'm away to can see go. There's time for everything in life. Even me do come ga aji ma say eta la dia atami na team mere nege envelope ni yare me hospital you go ga arugbe ni vie ni yare as de no se me wa pa ije mommy e ma no go to ta yo wa be ba ni emi anu wa o yan me do ha mi me when you have a kamu gbe ogi me kwe ni ala me wa o won we me public place the only two people no la mo wa Pamela nu dan ore pama me denu we okay, nu ya ba me iye denu e when you call him esegu onu ajo me ma kwenu la wa me because igwa lo sebegbe igwa lu wa but una de lo pa me adio wa me ugi de re una record me una de giye Sharon. Yes, my past say make I call you Pamela. I know say you dey watch me now. Pa James when it's here well when wife don't say egbe no we isi da yin ona atam ye Sharon na ni ye ma ye Sharon emi anu wata wa ba ni when ya glele we ta je mommy ye Sharon when I alele we ta wo na ri am ya do alele me ta do mana everything we ba ni I know ye go wa me ye igu we go na ye do we gu me go e ma no we fi go legal we ni no do ha oh sorry emi ya wu mele hen e Pamela ve ta serve doge e bossa se e brasmat jola dia ya lu le la dans the step yoko wa lela but that same Pamela na do come we me we me a force me na force me ati me mama. My people, I get video to show now. Sharon not there today. Sharon the only they tell the pikin say me na mama. Sharon na mommy. Then my mama na iye, my mama na iye. So the pikin get I they call everybody. All Sharon friends, now mama, they call all of us. Now mama, she they call all of us. That me when they force Mimi to call me mommy, me want go adopt Mimi, I want force Mimi. Mimi was dancing. I have video evidence. You were here. She was kissing me. Somebody told me, Sharon's real godmother. Sharon's the godmother, real one. I had this fake one in Nigeria. The woman told me, Mimi no Sharon is happy also. Or say Mimi na gogo. I was like, Mimi wa gogo these days. You might understand. Or wait because origin so tall. Gorema. That woman still calls me today. Godmother Sharon. Or what say no na gogo. Or to Mimi na called me. Ona calling me. A auntie. And I will know. And mama. She's auntie. The genore. Because a Niger ma ekoton. Ona okay. I hear that do me force say nothing me mommy. Hi God. If you are born. Let's go. Me. If you not Frank, while we 5 video, I will do 100 for you. I just read the truth. Because even Sharon the verse for me say I too quiet for una since.
What I do to you will be believe will be one. You are hypocrites they want. Don't what you are for our own selfish interest. The way we are this year the money they go. You make now like what? You make now jigo you what? You make now feel what? No you are evil. The bad mindset of Nigeria will be more. No, you guys will go back to that same country and be acting evil. Now, when you are moving, one move here, better go be panel. And you're going to move here, just for you to post. Show that you care. show that you care. You guys never did. You guys never did. Now, when I hear the whole story,
Oh God, the mama no wa.
they took Sharon from the church straight to the mortuary. These pictures you see this was in the cemetery. That same church was close to cemetery. See the church, see the cemetery. They have a boundary. That they went to the cemetery to take pictures, thinking Sharon was buried already. And not literally we the people, and they banded people as
Ozuoki Frank, who mama was Sharon even in the corpse that day? Was Sharon even? Can you swear that Sharon was in that corpse that day? My 25th time Sharon where we know. Anyone, it come like banana way anyone figure my because everyone of the lady Sharon go and have a do atami my ni Sharon tell wa. Or say enwa I wear my bona because when me women make care anybody. But we are cholesterol no. Anybody like that, not really say that he Sharon complain. He di o madano. He easy o madano. Easy o madano. When he Sharon ya mommy ye Sharon when you are nine my any anuta mahon. Akwere come to send the gimak self. When we are over here dear mahon. When you are my bog here dear say we mahon. Ye di ma. Easy ma everything uta ma hemi ya be mana. And when we go one over do agree me go. We're not trusting ya. We're trusting ya. A life in a and one. Hello. And not by man, when you are complain everybody I they know. Ieni yamu. My 25th I'm Sharon Yowa. We know. If I can figure my hair. Oh no problem. You boys feel that anything wow mama hair. Because my daughter go on social media, my daughter tag home. So you I'm not especially God. I'm not a social media person. Social media person but you man I'm not the person they point. That makes Sharon fit trust me with so many things. All damn is yet to boy. All do I tell me Sharon man avec Frank comme Monzo. Any ya here, but when it you know with Bobo I will egboma we agbe my people. Anything about burial, ma come. Egbo can bury Sharon, e mo can bury or say he. So why are you now trying to make it feel like I must be there? I'm so important. How am I even important? Am I even important in the burial? I tell you the burial. Am I important, my people? Am I important in the burial? In any day, so why are they not trying to drag me and put me inside? How he egg be dada, somebody go maybe egg be dada. He egg book he egg be dada. So what you can make can burial? How is it my concern? How is it my problem? The only thing I have for my friend is that last respect because that's the only place Niame TV say a prayer for her that God should forgive her all her sins and accept her in his bosom. You get anything to do with the burial. So why are they making it feel like they very vital? How? In what way? I'm not part of the family. Yeah, I don't imagine anything about the burial. Or somebody go maybe tell anything about the burial. Say, imagine go on yo, imagine to why when you wear your working so. Let's go, guys.
Supposed to do video. For them not to do video, and they themselves was doing video. They banned them not to do video, but they themselves.
Madame nous connaît Frank, when nous jouons, ça c'est bon that very day, the bros no coordinator, Pa James, what for Baba. Now I pass for you. And I even talk say you can do short video, you can take pictures, so that at least it will be memory. At least when the children go even see say these people even come their mama service of song. Now say me not even post, I not post anything. Now the man say, oh, all of you snap pictures, do this one. Now in the organizer of that place that day, now do everything there. Umareva, what the boy even concert. We come. I have tell okay, man, we get believe okay na tamawe. So when the Sharon was say celebrity, I will service of song. I make picture, but nobody went on live video. That was the prohibition. Okay, nobody should go on live video, but you can do short videos. You can do pictures, and people did pictures. There were people in my mirror, then mirror for the first time. For the first time, I saw them for the first time there. People like Tower that go, they might mirror there first time. And it was a bad situation. So when you snap a picture, when you snap a picture, where they roam, we Rome. We marry, Just Rome to here is 2 hours, 45 minutes by fast train. Umameti say one. But you are here. If another react of love, you are here sagaring them. Away.
They're doing video. Put it to their page. Now, the young one of Rachel Emilia, the destiny of Rachel Emilia, Izzy Omoruyi. When she came, and she came late. And when she came, she fell down and pretending as if she was crying with her squad of members. And they start carrying her out. You don't do. But you want to listen. That's good.
Frank, I don't get it when I take fall. Imam any day. Wait, to go Vienna do a dinner. No, Imam any day. Yes, I cried. I cried because I want my vie. If Sharon ve na have vie forever no. It may dig be meji ve mana. Because me I know beg tears in me. Because tears in me wa gwalo wa beg. It dig be meji. Obi na vie ne. There's no day ni vie. So ni Imam any dig boto ina do have vie ve no zuwa na. Awa ta loge mawe. So stop lying. Remember they had the button and have here and I move back and we didn't even come late. We came when they were doing mass.
Share this video. Let's listen.
Please share this video. Let's listen.
What play audio? Oh yeah.
No, they listen to audio. Family where Peking died, they send audio to presenter.
So but I want to no very here. As an I finish the mass. Me here be more like a mega and daisy. Me know we are planning with you. Near ya, Simaya, Gavian, and because me hair with Emilia Uni, a old water. So the name more like them in a waffy and you want to immediately. Now, in my near more a picture because in my yati only a recording mona. No, I'm a picture in our hair. A year you want to. Oh, Manaipa. So, okay, Kiri Menado, I beg a picture near the media. Yanado web in a form of where a Vayana Berry Sharon. Yanado, Bebu. Do I want the picture of the cemetery or read that very church in me because a church in the cemetery boy the money. So you're not the way that cemetery I want picture. You're not a video in social media.
Madam Osamede Justina Idada. You we talk here. We go sha. Waiting my plan echo work pa. Why think them boy you are? Magale plan agbowe carry and I don't tear by all the way to all ya select because we can't want when up that we like poppy. We talk a sha so and we shall not do well we are your two words is to work question for your water or mommy what dear we are why didn't you call her to come to Belgium? We are shall not go on how go and no by go on how do where were you? We shall not broke mommy go here we are e ma bule no wa yoko wa so me de no ma ne gbe where were you ozuo when no get gbe that is wa we are where were you ti ma ga form me I will pretend and I will arrange it one way ya wa saver I wa dey your to why do damage ma dey your to madam mama we mo picture of the cemetery or that way church and I'm with pictures are there go and see it on my Facebook is there you ma sure but to sign on my show go and see it I shared this from people's pages there. What do you gain? A young girl with your cousin or who? No one are here. What call it social media affair here? Now they take here. Take bear my here. Oh, where we go? Where you select? But let's continue.
Look where yes, here the lady, the one now with the barrier. Here attend to the barrier. The Iliad Monique Najaji, the Sandra. A picture home where they Thursday, Morio when me and a picture. Honor the woman, the Marco said that Thursday anywhere, Yeredo 2J or Yeredo 12, Sharon. Okay. No post that same day, Marco said, honors me. We release a service or something, we don't have a picture, we don't have to post a picture home where church. Okay. Ubere Kiniado. Kada you are na ya even na support good for me na. Keke the other account na Latin. Na haya.
Why you a family not tell me understand? Why go like you go say bugwa? Why go like you go say bugwa? Why you tell me you go because of you go na my post or you are here gbe na. Omo 36 years old pikin na 36 years old child no my say 40 na he go wa mukoda o he go wa no hia he go wa problem wa mama ti post he go e ma no re with love not go show the girl service of song what here wa ge na wa si ai na e ma ni re na wa ri ro viyan yeti yan ba weju no agbon. These people they too like money. Oh, the day when Sharon just go, then they begin they drag money, they drag people, they go. As a Sunday of it, iban gwe fesina Peter Snefisina ya bawo go rebe bogume. Ya bawo go rebe bogume. Ari iban ge card. Ije mommy. E fesina kama nege uri iban ne poster pay we ni ye ne ma no ya donate go nu e. Where make I make any now we home more. Me near there. No, not be that very day. Na Sunday. Okay, that that Iban na Sunday. So Ariel that can't name already. If it's now we are not knowing don't have access to a Sharon Nigeria account or where you met it na dey Iban again. Salopwa. I was like, really? And what happened to Sharon Garden when I have a card in a key online now. Any year. Now what happened to now? This is not time for money. Any agbe buy ima mucha yoge send because any make let's say na here do anego with social media. Anyone on all of us as friends, he told them we can donate this money. Not beside they make match. Sharon get good friends. Where I go fit call. Where they go fit donate this money. Without not even hear pin for social media. That was what I wanted for Sharon. At least, let us as friends do this thing within ourselves. Yeah, well, we are going 100,000 euro from outside. You must go down your. La go. If you are going to do, we never done. Di may call anybody there way. Oh, no put money for there. Oh, if you put money, I never one day did that. I have not called anybody to tell them not to put money. I have never. Any life in a by force. If I don't want to be part of it, leave me alone. I had plans I was discussing with them. Now, let's open an account for these children. If you Sharon, account number 10 access in 18 years in there. Then I donate you go, which is a good plan because the government is paying you every month. Is okay, there are women in the Canada that they will remember us all their life. At least you have a one. You know, 100,000 euro account, they will be happy. They'll say, oh, why anima? Oh, they can't in Bekana. Now, nobody can access it until Mimi say 18 years in it. Yeah, well, we must access it to be here. Yeah, we go fund me, like he said. Nia metin access. Now we memo borrow. Because what I was saying, who I was saying no money, that they will be appreciative of it tomorrow. So is it by force? Am I that important? Can't they just yank me off? When you have female for like immaterial, am I kizzy by? Must I be part of anything they are doing? That is my question. You guys should please help me ask them. Must I be part of everything they are doing? Is it a must that I must be part of it? Wagume notana. On Friday, as a Sunday, Ibangwe, Emanenari Gojo. As a Monday, go for me, Ladiane. Just 3 days after, Omoruyi. When I was still trying to find out why this thing happened. How did she die? What happened to her? What sunu? I was trying to, because Sharon was hale and healthy. Sharon bear with CS. After 2 weeks, Emido Sunu died. I was still trying to think. My brain was. Let me tell you guys what helped me. And Mimi helped me. Mimi helped me so much. Because there, Mimi no maybe my condition would have been worse. But when you cannot do without attending to the child. So we're still thinking of it. They were thinking of money already. I mean, I don't want to be part of such a collaboration. Was it a crime for me to say I don't want to be part of it? and they now say that me when they marry go yo. I never said so, and I will never say so. You people have the right to put money anywhere you want to put money, but must I be part of it? That is the question I'm asking. Let's continue.
Emmanuel Facebook or the Sandra Emmanuel, I'm not sure you're anything. No vision. Oh, Mamma, no vision or my Valley. Can you now service or song, you know? Or Majo?
Yeah.
And Daphne, Kaki, a Ina Bukame, I go by. Okay. Now you remember, we now have a service or something not to
okay.
Or we enjoy. Okay. One when I joy, or we ain't Mamari, I can't Jordan and the Dejo. I am Izzy. But that probably a mail. I went to hear Izzy. I am Izzy. Remember, I am Izzy, Joe. Okay. In Yetere. I do am Izzy.
Osamede wewe gbore po me na am were amosodo yin Izzy wa yin ameba wa we dem ni wa we because of social media get wa drag me egbu wa fully na social media wa fi get wa drag me wa mo egbu wa gboto wa mo egbu gala gboto ne ma ri le because the story wa of social media e me wa hu na fi say na me na dey do no dey do me o oni ye me no kwati adumadu body wa we ti wa we me wa mo egbu wa gboto. Okpamen told you that. Okpamen, I know say not the Facebook, but if you watch this video, I beg. This your sister say, you tell her, say, they must come beg me before you go service of song. Ah, man, these people, they are demented. I will lie.
The only sister you have in this whole world. Okay. Understanding? I am an about 30 Markman or America. No, we are not telling or America.
When Atana near Natago, yeah, book Mame, a dope Mame Hamia. Do you know that? I want Okpamen, Nella, where Sharon, these same people, this mother family, so. One Okpamen don't make me for the past 1 week. I want NSC Kawani for like 3 weeks. Or my mimi, but I want NS where Sharon. This is the same brother with Sharon Galo, there, young girl, Sharon let me. Okpamen, where Sharon, my ha. Masio mo anije me wowa ma agwale agent to agent, but a family that have Okpamen nesi ni emue close to the house nesi ko wani neso we Sharon me you know na we you know go we yema oni yemwe a family ri we ni ejo. That was what he said, because he might the reason I don't want to know, but I told him, I said whatever you like, but 20 kere no, I'm not here to decide for you. Make your decision. At the end, Mame came to that service of song. Mame was there. He finally came. The same reason no when Ejo. At the end, he still come. Me ma mi but you don't have me. You have me in recipe. Me ma kwe do pa me ko ma beg I didn't see him, but he told me that he was there. Let's listen to them.
Nothing many, nor America, not easy. No, in Izzy or your family, the gajo dinjo. No, my man is easy. No, and then Sharon, I like them. Okpamen busy them. Here, with me. Oh,
Madam Osamede Justina Idada, where we told Resha, we ma when Sharon Aragbo, my Okpamen, leg with me. How? We shall not be enough. I was there from morning to evening. Here, Okpamen swimmer say bus stop in our live bus. I want my leg with me. How? Even on my number, my number, my phone. I want on Jinguna, not my Jinguna from morning to evening. I make beggar, yeah, that's true. Because else, man, a Sharon or Sime or Tin Sharon, no. So we shall be saying, I let with Beggy, Mokam, Bamago, but when I call him, this same person they talk so. God. No, then I didn't know when you were American at Tiana or America. Okpamen Hamage or Tiana call it Frank Victor. Only now we not send it because they are the one begging him not to talk. Okpamen has a lot to say, but they are suppressing him not to talk. And I told him, no, this is not time to talk. No matter what you have with your mother, settle it inside your house, because social media is not a judge. It's not a courtroom where you settle issues. But these same people will come and say easy or manipulated. They innocent. Okpamen but the same people when you measure on him here now will go. It is not time for this. It is not time. It is not time for this. Calm down. Settle things with your mother. Face her. Do whatever agbina. Do whatever kiss you kiss. Do whatever hug you hug. No matter what, she's still your mom. You're pure 9 months. There's no issue you cannot settle. But this same me now, and you have a tobacco again, more manipulated. Let's continue, guys.
Hey, easy. I said it take me. It's a mommy. Easy. Okpamen. Easy. Okpamen. So mommy, I need easy. So mommy, I need easy. So mommy, I need
That's person husband.
You what? Easy no your emoji. Area single visual. They drag you for your man. Why do they drag person picking? Easy. Oh Yamo. Oh Jamai. Easy small money no yamo. More money no yamo. Jamai no yamo. More money no yamo. Easy no your mom jo fere. More money Mama get no nyamo, mama get easy. Any man go away dahinia, or my go away kidnap. Unawa Okpamen na gripa. Hey, we are why are Okpamen against was oh, my Maria, or Maria. All you have to do, I will not look on your sword. Oh, no, Okpamen.
Izzy, mommy. Rudu where? When I Omokpa can women are going on sell it out to social media. One beggar if I come out or tell you, I want all the Okpamen or your zoo. At you was zoo. At you was zoo. At you was zoo. What figure me no right oh. It's one out of your oh, some day more. Unuba ye do complain even my where ye mommy getting me a 20 no time we go where or so yakin. Unuba ye do complain over yama where abi we even as well. Unuba ye do complain even yama where you always narrating your children. A Frank no more zo no my neck be no more killer than social media. More ye we any je or we do all we are now we all of you go a live video. And you are comfortable, you are okay with it. You are okay with it. God of your social media, you are okay. You don't even feel it. This was why Sharon ran away from home to go and make family outside. A family no na jena na na alle niya. Sharon tell le, but out of love and forgiveness, on our way be a day. We be Frank Omoruyi over now with social media. Hey God.
Hello? I greet you personally. What a real video. What?
Grace. Baba we carry course. De benarien na ebe no mameti show ladia. De benarien we Frankie, ebe no mameti muladia. E ma zuo shy kola ni wa de by wa. E benarien ne mameti muladia. Mameti show e benarien me. They ma be all time no de gari no de beladia. Or saga ene bring her come out, let us see the proof. Frank, bring your own come out, no see the proof. That e benwe. Ezuo. Avec kola shawa wa we gbi wa we gbi eni bunoro ereruwa ototo wo oje. Ayele mu we ati owa we kana ya moment last. Ozuo.
But every nonsense, there is a sense. From Kamozo, from Kamozo,
Wagele suwu. Ikpiya is not forever.
At the end of the day, now victory. Especially when you know that what you are saying here on social media is true.
It's not true, Frank. You are the biggest liar on social media. Oh, yeah, well, Ikpiya is not forever, Frank. We might be a boy and winner. We can.
Before giving you what is coming, because we are going higher.
We are not going anywhere. Disco light is over September. We might think daga one day. Daga no ma. We might think a day bed no man will love you one day. We life you. All you do is to come and lie on people and you are saying, my head immediately, Frank. Where do you do later? I bet you have fear way. And all fear with social media.
Why have to wow Jesus? Why have Jesus? Why have Saga King Star of the Billion document minute?
Well, my man document na rie no. Ya fi 5 bullets no lo oge gbu e wa gbon. Shut up your mouth. Where? How they 5 years in new where more than the social media system where snap more than the scene. We only cover your date of birth. You don't already snap and come as sins. Not be you when we know. Not be you when we know. As well, I deceive man.